Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to work with the 2x2 page kit. So again, I'm going to be working in the Illustrating Bible and with this really cute little Noah's Ark page kit. Again, still a little bit nervous about the whole, spraying or something. So again, I'm going to just do a little bit of paint splashing. Did you guys get the free page kit from last week for Genesis? Like, I'm on page 2 of my Bible. So let's go back over here. So this is the page we did last week. There is a freebie, so go find the video and grab your freebie before it's gone. And well, it's not going to be gone. What am I saying? So let's just put a mat under here and working in 620. Let's make sure we're on the right page. There we are. It's so tiny. It's so hard to read this Bible. So again, just going to do a little bit of paint flicking on this page here. And I'm just trying to keep this like kind of simple. I don't know if I really want a watercolor or really what I want to do. And with any new Bible, we get this sort of panic about, I always think, well, whatever I do on the first page, I have to do for the rest of the pages, which is not necessarily true. So right now I'm just kind of experimenting, and I really need to go into the back of the Bible and see what I can, what I can do and what I can find, and tried some different supplies on there. I see that there's a couple extra sheets. So more flicking. We like to flick. I got so much paint on my finger that it's kind of crazy. But where's my paper towel now? We've lost that. So what is new and exciting in your worlds? The only really new exciting thing is all my Christmas lights. Ryan was here and he was so crazy with the Christmas lights. He brought these reels of like 60 feet. So he bought 8 of these things. We had like 480 feet of Christmas lights. And then he decided we should do more, and I'll tell you, we're about 20 minutes from town. We went 3 times in 2 days to buy more Christmas lights. The kid is crazy, but we had so much fun. He's like, well, if we're gonna do this, we might as well do those trees, and if we're gonna do that, we might as well do this. So between the two of us, it was hilarious of how many Christmas lights we did, and we have them literally everywhere. There's not a spot that isn't covered. It's kind of funny, actually, but I love my boys. So okay, it's very shady today in the studio. So yeah, page kits, let's get back to that, because page kits do not need to be done up. You can do them really without anything. You can just, put them down on the page. You don't have to put paint. You don't have to put, sprays and such. You can do them really simple. And I even like the splashes, because with splashes, you can just add some splashes to your page, right? Now, shall we do the arc first? What little animal am I going to stick in the corner? I want to make sure that I get this right. Oh my, look, this did not cut well. Sometimes Hank, he gets silly and he doesn't want to cut well for me. So now I'm going to try with my hand, which is still numb. It's crazy. Let's go back here and see what Hank has done. I don't think he cut this out very good at all. Look at him. We're gonna have to have a word with Hank. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so he only made one mistake. We'll forgive him this time. So I think I'm going to put my little lions over in the corner. And I should take a peek at my video to make sure we're doing okay here. Like to be in some sort of order. So we want to make sure the lions are going to fit. So I'm going to put them here. And these elements, it's kind of fun to make these like big elements. So I'm kind of, I'm liking them. This is lots of fun. So tell me, what are you guys up to? What's going on? Are you getting ready for Christmas? I went shopping. Sis was here for a week. And Sis and I actually went out and we did some shopping. And we had lunch. And oh gosh, we're like two little old ladies. We had these, you know, nice rocky chairs by the fire every night. And we had our snacks and our iPads. And we had such a good time. Made some fires. Oh, we just had a great old time. So put the little maybe giraffes there. And the elephants here. Oh, where's the baby seals go? The baby seals gotta go in here somewhere. I got it all just piled here. And again, look at what he did. Hank. Not impressed with you. You know, and you can't see when he's cutting what he's cutting, so. You know, and I always feel that I have to do these crazy backgrounds for, you know, the videos and such. And I'm trying to just go, what, you know, what do I want to do with my page? Because ultimately, the page is for me. And I took this little guy, and what I did was I wrote right on him on the PDF before I printed it, so you will have a sticker to put on. So I'm going to put my little guy right here. First tab in the Bible. So excited. And when I did the page in Genesis the other day, I was not covering up the words, but then I kind of went, I'm not going to read out of this Bible. So again, I'm okay with covering up the words because this is a Bible for me to do art and worship Him creatively in. And I'm hoping that one day somebody picks up this Bible and says, you know, what is that story about? What are all these little animals in this big boat? Like, what does that have to do with anything? And they pick it up and they see it and they say, oh, wow, what a cool story. And then they too want to find out about Noah. And they want to find out about the stories in the Bible and how it relates to our life. And with my daily readings, that came off really well, by the way. With my daily readings, I am in the New Testament now. So excited by the New Testament. And should we put it up here or down here? I kind of like it over here. So let's just put it here. Genesis 6:20. So there we have it. So another really fast page. And, you know, I might even take a little bit more blue or, you know, maybe a yellow and just do more splashes on here and finish up my page. And I'm really loving creating in this Bible with the bigger, you know, margins, the bigger pages. It's really great for that. And again, the tabs that are in this Bible are available in the shop. They're all a rose gold, and I made them specifically for this Bible. And it was hard to make them before I actually had it to see what the color was. So thank you all for joining me today. I'm just excited to get to be sharing with you and sharing His Word in our group and being inspired and enriched. It's such a blessing. And we're also doing our 30 days of gratitude. I'm doing mine all through October and November, so I think I'm on day I'm not even sure, 20 something. So a ways to go yet. So I hope you're all enjoying that. Hope you're all enjoying the page kits. Come join us in our Facebook group if you aren't a member. And I will see everyone next week on Technique Thursday. God bless.